Assalamu alaikum, dear audience. Today we are going to discuss William Wordsworth, and in this video, I'll discuss 10 films about William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth is known as the poet of nature, and he belongs to Romantic period in English literature. Okay, first of all, we have the overall introduction of William Wordsworth. Wordsworth is especially regarded as a poet of nature. In most of the poems of Wordsworth, nature is constructed as both a healing entity and a teacher or moral guardian. Okay, nature is considered in his poems as a living personality. He is a true worshipper of nature. Okay, now we are going to discuss 10 facts about William Wordsworth, and from we will start from the very first fact, and that is William Wordsworth was born on 7th April 1770 in Lake District, England, and he died in April 23rd in 1850. Next, we have the second fact, and that is William Wordsworth was a romantic poet, and he is also called the poet of nature. Okay, next we have the third fact, and that is William Wordsworth was a lake poet. He is called a lake poet because he belongs to a school of lake poet, and in lake school of poets there are three poets: William Wordsworth, St. Coleridge, and Southey. Okay, next we have the fourth fact, and that is uh, William Wordsworth's sister Dorothy Wordsworth was a poet and a diarist. Okay, William Wordsworth की जो sister थी Dorothy Wordsworth, she was a poet and a diarist as well. Next, we have the fifth fact, and that is in 1798, Wordsworth published lyrical ballads with St. Coleridge. This collection featured poems which Wordsworth wrote as a celebration of the rural landscape, and were written in simple language in an effort to capture the voice of the common people, and low and rustic life was generally chosen in this. Okay, next we have the sixth fact, and that is in 1800, Wordsworth published a preface to lyrical ballads. The preface was written to explain the theory of poetry guiding Wordsworth's composition of the poems, and Wordsworth defines the unusual style and subjects of the poems as experiments to see how far popular poetry could be used to convey profound feeling. Okay, next we have the seventh fact, and that is Wordsworth uses simple language in his poetry. Basically, according to Wordsworth, poetic language is the language of common people, speaking everyday expressions and expressing everyday sensations of rural people in an idealized rural life. तो जो वर्ड्सवर्थ है वो कहता है कि जो पोएट्री की जो लैंग्वेज है that should be simple and the language of common man. Okay, next we have eighth fact, and that is in 1850 the Prelude uh, was published. The Prelude is also called Growth of a Poet's Mind. It is an biographical poem, and it is a conversation poem in blank verse. It is an extremely personal and revealing work on the details of Wordsworth's life. He began to work on the Prelude in 1798, and it he continued to work on it throughout his life, and it was published 3 months after his death. Okay, next we have the second last fact, ninth fact, and that is Wordsworth is called giant of English poetry, and he wrote 523 sonnets. Next we have the last fact, and that is in 1843 he became poet of laureate. ठीक है, तो 1843 में जो है विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ जो था वो पोएट लॉरेट बन गया था, उसको लॉरेट पोएट का दर्जा दे दिया गया था.